How to fix Wi-Fi login page not showing on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar and then turn off Wi-Fi, and after some seconds turn it on. After you do that, simply scroll back up and then open settings on your device. After you're in the settings icon, click on Wi-Fi and network in here. After you click on Wi-Fi and network in here, click on private DNS at the bottom. After you've clicked on private DNS, if you have DNS turned on, click on off at the top and press on save. Make sure there is no DNS connected. After you do that, go back in the settings. In here, scroll down and click on system. After you click on system in here, you'll find reset options. In here, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, which is the first option. Click on reset settings, and after everything is reset, you're good to go. This is how to fix login page not showing on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.